Howdy. We are watching Fuego, Volcano in Guatemala. That's the live stream. I think it's still ongoing. I just made some screen videos some hour ago. And as you can see already here, in this first picture, there's a line, there's a line, there's a line. This is probably not within the same vicinity, I don't know. Maybe it is. But I have been talking about this many times. Clouds are plasma because there is energy transfer going on in the atmosphere. And we are talking about Fuego Volcano. I think it's about 3,500 meters high. And it's not far from the sea. So it's from sea level. You can see the sea from the top of the mountain. It's not too far. Just to show you Fuego, 3,763 meters, erupting. So it is quite close to the sea since it is located here, and there is water all over the place. So as on all places on Earth, we have to expect different atmospheric layers. Sometimes they get visible. Double layers between different atmospheric heights. Layers between layers. Spheres within spheres. And I have been watching this. That's you can check out the timeline. That's a screenshot, that's not a video. That's a few minutes before the action started. What happened? Zoom not supported. Now we are at the beginning. So, you see these objects, I call them now, here. They are, oh, I missed, on this layer. Slayer. No, anyway. So now let's go back a bit. If it just... And I don't know, it might be that there is already something going on. Because there are some brighter spots. And I haven't watched this recording yet, so... And I don't have a script. Now there seems to be something growing, and we might have also something going down here. Earth and the heavens are constantaneously connected. We are watching energy exchange between the atmosphere and the sky. In many ways, we have a volcano erupting. We have atmospheric double layers. Now I have to read still something quickly for you then. Now they are lighting up. And there is some glitch in this record because it jumps. I just zoomed now out that you can see the timeline. And also one interesting thing is that somehow it seems this plume goes a little bit like that and it doesn't go through this layer. It will, I guess, at some point. But at least now it's still like it's stuck underneath this. And it would be really interesting to see this from above. How does it look? What kind of shape does it have? Now these are clouds which are going by. This is all... Oh man. This is all filmed from another mountain beside this. We just have to wait a bit. It will do something. Yes, now I'm at the break. And I search for the next one. And I just want you to watch the same spot or the same region what we just saw with those white balls. Again, there shouldn't be any clouds anymore. Or at least not on the height we had before. There is something going on here, and now also here. Here we had, just a few minutes ago, this layer of clouds, which, at least it seems like, it has disappeared. But those things, plasmoids, they appear exactly at the same position. And if you go to this picture, for example, it seems that these have also this kind of sphere around them. Maybe it's just because of the quality from the camera. Maybe. I don't know. But at least it looks like. As we do have here. Here is another cloud. It's probably not that easy visible. But it has also a layering. Maybe that's also because of the camera quality. I don't know. But it looks like that. And as this is ongoing, now they are just rather stable. We will experience this glitch I have been talking about just before. Maybe I have to zoom out in order that you can check the timeline. Because that's rather strange. If that's a live stream, where's the rest of the pictures? And now I don't know if you have noticed it or not, but since I have been reporting on these kinds of things already several times, I noticed it immediately. You will notice that there is stuff flying upwards from these spheres. Watch closely. It's rather slow this time. Now you can already see that these are called streamers as far as I know. Now you can see there's one detaching here, and it is moving to this direction. A blob of energy makes a connection to the next layer above. There's another one beside it. And that's the glitch I have been talking about. Maybe we got to zoom out and check it out. 22,531. 22,525. Yeah, there is 4 seconds missing. What a pity. I think that would have been very interesting. There's another glitch too, but we don't dive now into the glitches. Because it's a live stream after all, where I recorded this. And now you can already see how the structure has changed in a very short amount of time. And it's rather stationary, and there are things rising upwards from that. Glowing things, it's plasma. In a way, this structure here could be compared to Aurora Borealis. Because it's probably hot plasma within the atmosphere. Yeah, I recorded this twice because there was this glitch, and I thought that it's somehow rather strange. So that's the same sequence. And partially, this material is also raining down. There's just the streamers which go up, but they are not really visible in this picture. Now, watch this region. It will go downwards. Like plasma rain, or however you want to call it. Yeah, that's what, some 10 hours ago or something. That's ash cloud, and these are plasma. This is plasma. Plasmas. And obviously there has been now more excitement going on here, since we have more clouds and we have layering again. Oh man, how does it? Why? But anyway, I just wanted to point out, as I scroll forwards and backwards, you can see like how these go up. And they have been here, and they go up, which is very different from this stuff, which comes from inside the volcano and gets really pushed up because it's a volcanic eruption. But that is stable in the air, and they just start to rise up. See? It has almost a filamentary structure. That's a big pity that we have this glitch here. You will find some other Fuego videos I made. The first one is really spectacular. How much can we zoom in? Because that's interesting to watch this as it goes somehow through the layer. And disappears. And there's also here like this layering. what I call now filamentation, because the quality isn't the best. And I don't know if that's just visible light or what it is. I don't know. What's the technique behind this video footage? And there are those black things here, which are really hard to capture. See them zipping by. No. Almost. Maybe these are rocks. I don't know. But let me tell you something about those double layers still. The information, but I will provide you from the Thunderbolts project. Electric double layers. Stephen Smith. Picture of the day. 2 years old. Almost on the day. Double layers surround Earth, blocking high energy charged particles from space. I won't read you the whole thing, but we have to go down a little bit. Plasma pioneer and Nobel laureate Erwin Langmuir studied the behavior of charged particles moving through various gases. Our atmosphere is gas. He was the first to coin the term plasma when referring to ionized gas, finding that they accelerated ions to supersonic velocities. Double layers are self-generating, so the effect has been incorporated into an efficient spacecraft thrust mechanism. As mentioned, a double layer is a charge separation region that forms in plasmas. Hence, clouds are plasma. It consists of two oppositely charged parallel layers, resulting in a voltage drop and an electric field across the layer. Hence, atmospheric layers. These regions accelerate electrons and positive ions in opposite directions. Since moving electric charge generates electricity, there is an electric current present. If there are sufficiently large potential drops and layer separation, electrons might accelerate to relativistic velocities, producing synchrotron radiation. Nobel Prize winner Hannes Alfvén described a double layer as a plasma formation by which a plasma, in the physical meaning of this word, protects itself from the environment. It is analogous to a cell wall by which a plasma, in the biological meaning of this word, protects itself from the environment. You can read the rest. I really recommend you. So I think I'll leave it here. Watching once again Fuego plasma. That's the first eruption where you can see the first time the atmospheric double layer. Then later on we get them back without the cloud there. But we have two glitches in that, which is a pity. And the streamers which are rising up. Yeah, I leave it here. Thanks. Bye.